years ago, due to poverty and harsh ecological conditions, villagers had to rely on cutting wood for money, and frequent geological disasters only worsened their situation. In just over 30 years, local residents have transitioned away from traditional forestry. Zhoulin's forest coverage has increased from 42.8% to 72.96%, and the county's forestry output has reached 334 million yuan. The traditional forestry model had long harvest cycles and caused significant environmental damage. Under the new economic model, forests have transformed into suitable environments for cultivating new crops. People now grow high-value medicinal plants with short cultivation periods, raise bees, and engage in ecotourism. As a result, their income opportunities have expanded and their earnings have significantly increased.
我就觉得这个是一个宝库，打算把这个大面积的森林资源把它利用出来，打造成为民众营养、营游。我们下一代要传承我这个老父亲这个造林的精神，把我们家里的家庭林场做得更好。我们也带动整个村民的话，靠这个生态能够增加收入，过上好日子。
30 years ago, people cut down trees on these barren hills. Today, thanks to the implementation of the 3 reservoirs plus carbon reservoir green ecological concept, generations of farmers have transformed this land into a green paradise with the same tools that they used to work the land. They're forest rangers, advocates, entrepreneurs, and researchers. Each person is working in their own way to protect this land. Today, Zhoulin has been recognized as the National Ecological Civilization Construction Demonstration Zone and a China Natural Oxygen Bar, among other honors, restoring vitality to the city.